This is my Fire HD 10, which I bought on Amazon Prime Day. And if you really want to make your tablet a lot better, you'll probably want to use Fire Toolbox version 9.1. Of course, you take the risk of possibly damaging your Fire HD, but the reward is pretty cool. If you use this tool, you can change all these different settings. The thing that I did for my tablet was, the first thing I did was I added a custom launcher, and they have Nova Launcher, and I also like the Microsoft Launcher maybe, but I use Nova Launcher here in my Fire HD. You can see I really like it compared to the Fire OS. See Nova settings over here. So again, Fire Toolbox lets you change the, what's it called, the custom launcher. And I really don't prefer using Fire OS. And then the next thing that's really cool about it is you can install Google services. So that means you can install playstore very easily. This is all like one-click installations. You don't have to do some crazy stuff. You just have to enable the in-debug settings. Let me see if I can find it. Under settings, if you go to settings and then you go to device options, and then about Fire tablet, you just click the device model or serial number a few times to get the developer mode, which is down here. Go to developer mode, and you can turn on the developer mode over here and then enable USB debugging. I think that's all I had to do. USB debugging, turn it on, then I can use the Fire Toolbox when I attach it to USB. So again, I installed playstore. That was super easy, one click, and that got me up and running. And the very last thing is you can manage everything Amazon, and that will allow you to, I think, remove the lock screen ads. So those were the three things I wanted to change on my Fire tablet. And you can see, I'll show you, there's no ads on my lock screen. So thankfully there's a tool like Fire Toolbox. You can Google, there's other ones, but this is the one I've used and I recommend it to a different friend. Again, I can install stuff with playstore now. And so I think it's pretty cool. It runs, to me, a lot faster after doing that versus running Fire OS. So again, on XDA, Forums XDA developers, you can get the Fire Toolbox to help you change these three things on your tablet. And so I actually wasn't even going to get this tablet because I've used Fire OS before, and it's to me, it's very difficult to use. But on slickdeals, I saw a user recommend Fire Toolbox. There's other ones that you can use, but this one was actually very easy, and so got me up and running.